Ever stared at a vibrant sign, buzzing with an otherworldly glow, and wondered what makes it so captivating? Or perhaps you've stumbled upon discussions about futuristic lighting technologies and heard the term Neon Max thrown around. Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving deep into the electrifying world of Neon Max. Now, before we unravel the specifics, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Traditional neon signs, those iconic fixtures of vintage diners and bustling cityscapes, rely on noble gases like neon, argon, and helium sealed in glass tubes. When an electric current passes through, these gases emit light, each with its characteristic hue. Think of the classic reddish-orange glow of pure neon, a sight that's instantly recognizable. But technology rarely stands still, and the quest for brighter, more versatile, and energy-efficient lighting solutions has led to innovations beyond traditional neon. This is where the concept of Neon Max emerges. While not always a strictly defined scientific term, Neon Max generally refers to advanced or enhanced neon lighting technologies. It often encompasses techniques and materials used to amplify the brightness, expand the color spectrum, improve the lifespan, and even introduce dynamic effects to traditional neon. So, what exactly does this max entail? One key aspect is the optimization of the gas mixture within the tubes. By carefully blending different noble gases and sometimes adding trace amounts of other elements, manufacturers can achieve a wider range of colors beyond the standard neon palette. Imagine vibrant blues, rich greens, and dazzling purples, all with that signature neon glow. Furthermore, advancements in electrode design and power delivery systems play a crucial role in maximizing the output and efficiency of neon lighting. More sophisticated electrodes can withstand higher currents, leading to increased brightness without compromising the lifespan of the tube. Similarly, improved power supplies ensure a stable and optimized energy flow, reducing energy waste and enhancing the overall performance. Another exciting dimension of Neon Max is the integration of modern control systems. Gone are the days of static, single-color neon signs. Today, microcontrollers and digital interfaces allow for dynamic lighting effects, including pulsing, chasing, fading, and even color-changing sequences. This opens up a world of creative possibilities for signage, artistic installations, and architectural lighting. Beyond aesthetics, Neon Max often emphasizes durability and longevity. Innovations in glass manufacturing and sealing techniques contribute to more robust tubes that are less susceptible to damage and gas leaks. This not only extends the lifespan of the lighting but also reduces maintenance costs. It's important to note that the term Neon Max isn't always used consistently across the industry. Sometimes, it might refer to specific product lines or proprietary technologies developed by individual manufacturers. Therefore, when you encounter this term, it's always a good idea to delve into the specifics of what's being described. In essence, Neon Max represents the evolution of traditional neon lighting, pushing the boundaries of brightness, color, dynamism, and efficiency. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of this captivating light source and the continuous drive for innovation in the world of illumination. From eye-catching commercial displays to stunning artistic creations, Neon Max technologies are illuminating our world in exciting new ways. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.